In emergencies at sea, the ability to provide immediate medical care can save lives. Welcome to the topic First Aid Kit and Resuscitation Techniques, part of the Survival Craft and Rescue Boats course under Section AVI2 of the STCW Code. In this lesson, you will learn to identify the contents of a first aid kit, explain and apply resuscitation techniques, and use this knowledge in real emergency situations on board. Preparedness, precision, and calm decision-making are vital qualities every seafarer must possess. A standard first aid kit on board a survival craft or rescue boat is equipped for immediate response to injuries. Common contents include sterile dressings and bandages for wound care, antiseptic solutions to prevent infection, adhesive plasters and gauze pads, scissors and safety pins, triangular bandages for slings, disposable gloves for hygiene, CPR mask or face shield, pain relievers and seasickness tablets, and an instruction manual for emergency procedures. Each item must be inspected regularly, kept dry, and readily accessible during emergencies. When a person becomes unresponsive and is not breathing, immediate resuscitation is critical. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, or CPR, combines chest compressions and rescue breaths to restore circulation and oxygenation. The rescuer should check for responsiveness and breathing for no more than 10 seconds, call for help and ensure the scene is safe. Begin chest compressions. Press firmly on the center of the chest at least 5 centimeters deep at a rate of 100 to 120 compressions per minute. After every 30 compressions, give 2 rescue breaths using a CPR mask. Continue the cycle until medical help arrives or the person starts breathing. CPR should always be practiced under the supervision of certified maritime trainers. In real-life situations, coordination and confidence matter. Once an emergency is identified, assess the scene for safety, call for assistance and inform the officer in charge, open the first aid kit and prepare resuscitation equipment. If the casualty is unresponsive and not breathing, start CPR immediately. Continue life-saving efforts until medical personnel take over or the individual shows signs of recovery. Remember, proper use of the first aid kit and resuscitation techniques ensures the survival and safety of those in your charge. To summarize, always ensure your first aid kit is complete and accessible. Know each item and its purpose. Master resuscitation techniques. They are your first line of defense against loss of life. Your training today prepares you to act quickly, skillfully, and responsibly in any emergency at sea. As seafarers, you carry not only the duty of survival, but the responsibility to save others. Be alert, be trained, be ready. This concludes the lesson on first aid kit and resuscitation techniques, training the Filipino seafarer. Strong, skilled, and ready for any emergency at sea. Nautical Options, Training Institute of the Philippines, Inc., shaping maritime excellence.